How to change sensitivity in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see different options that are available. Now on the fourth option, there's sensitivity. So you'll be able to get a slider too. Now you can adjust it accordingly. So you can adjust the sensitivity according to your gameplay. So it's better you go inside the game and start testing the sensitivity. So first play your game and you can go back and forth on the settings and change the sensitivity of the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.